When it comes to writing Python scripts, two AI models have been generating buzz, Grok from xAI and Gemini from Google. Both can produce code, but they approach the task differently. Grok leans toward concise, functional snippets that get the job done with minimal overhead. Gemini tends to offer more verbose, well-commented code that reads like a tutorial. In testing a data cleaning script, Grok completed the task in fewer lines, while Gemini provided clearer explanations for each step. For debugging, Grok identified syntax errors quickly, but Gemini excelled at suggesting logical improvements. The choice depends on your workflow, Grok for rapid prototyping, Gemini for learning or collaborative projects. Both models handle standard libraries well, but Gemini has an edge with Google Cloud integrations. The takeaway? Use Grok when speed matters, and Gemini when clarity and context are key.